Welcome to Mortgage Business Expo in London. A really busy show here today. Let me welcome Martin Reynolds from FIBA. So how are you enjoying the show today, and what do you want to get out of it?
Really enjoying it. It's very busy. The seminars have been really interesting, both the generic ones and the FIBA specific ones that we've got going as well. So yeah, we're getting some good conversations, and I think people are actually putting cases away, which is good as well.
That's always because it pays for the show, doesn't
Absolutely.
it? Really? So in terms of sort of your broker membership, so and why the lenders want to sort of join FIBA? What do they get from FIBA?
I think two reasons. There's a altruistic point of view, which is actually as a trade body we're there to promote the sector, to utilise the sector to make sure that it works in the way it should do, and we're there to promote that. So I think lenders like to be part of that trade body so that they can help with that and get that message out. And then the other part is access to the membership, talk to the members, maybe get to know new firms that they don't normally deal with, and utilise that as a way to increase business as well.
We work with lots of new lenders in your space. So so what specifically should they be looking for? And as a new lender entering the space, how can you help new lenders get into the space?
Well, for new lenders, we like to see what the product is. We don't deal with every lender in the market. We like to see lenders that have got something a little bit different and they're looking to, rather than me too. I think if we had a panel of me too lenders, it wouldn't go very far. So we're always looking at that angle of, have you spotted a gap in the market, or are you doing something slightly different to the others? And that always helps. And from that, we can help introduce new lenders into the market to some of our key players, our key membership, who again can help them shape their product. They can help them trial things as well if they're trying to get into new areas and new markets in a very controlled environment, rather than having to go whole of market and then realise maybe that it's not quite right, or the system doesn't work. So we can work with them in little pilots in that respect as well.
Fair. And in terms of where the market is going and where you're seeing it from sort of lenders and an association perspective, what's the sort of the future? Going into 2026, where do you see the market going?
We've been talking a lot to our advisor members about following their clients, especially because FIBA is complex buy-to-let, bridging, development finance and commercial term. And what we're saying and what we're seeing is a lot of traditional landlords are moving into that HMO, semi-commercial bridging space just to get the yield. So we're talking to our membership about follow your clients. How do you get into that market? So we've done the certified practitioner qualification with LIBF, which again helps people get into the market, helps them understand the terminology. So even if they then don't want to write the business but maybe refer it, they know what they're looking for. They can understand the requests they're getting from their packager or from the lenders.
So that's interesting in terms of no longer a one-off hit, which a lot of the specialist finance market used to be like. It's more acting like a wealth manager, where you've got that client for life.
Yeah, and I think you're also, what we're seeing is it's like the old bank manager or commercial manager within the bank, and a lot of the banks don't have those anymore. So the broker becomes that because it's quite a lonely place when you're a landlord or a developer, in that your circle of acquaintances could be your accountant and your solicitor, who maybe cost money to talk to every time, but also have they got that wider knowledge. So actually the broker actually becomes an advisor on not just the finance, but actually what's happening in their business as well, which is what we traditionally used to get from the bank manager. Yeah,
perfect. Have a great show today. Enjoy. And I'll see you soon.
Yeah, it's great. Thanks
Cheers.
for interviewing.
Thank you.